In this video, you will learn about contact relationships in organisations, primary and secondary contacts, how relationships affect billing, viewing an account at a contact or company level, and managing new or changing staff and primary contacts. Brightpearl has a flat contact structure where every individual is added as a separate contact record. Where multiple contacts share the same company name, they are all automatically linked as colleagues. Of the colleagues within a company group, there will always be a single primary contact. All the other contacts are considered secondary. The primary contact is used as the billing address for all orders made from anyone at the company, and the account balance and payments are all recorded and made against the primary contact. The secondary contact can be used for raising new quotes and orders using their name and delivery address. That allows any contact at the company to place an order with the business. Here I have a group of contacts for the same company. We can easily see the primary contact because they're in bold font. It's possible to open any one of the individual records by clicking on their name or the company name. At the top of the screen, you can see how many other individuals are in this company. There's also this Colleagues tab, which displays each of the individuals and their roles, and which one is currently primary. Jump to any other contact by clicking on their name. We can see on a secondary contact that the billing address is copied from the primary contact and can't be edited. Each individual contact record displays activities relating directly to them. New tasks and activities are assigned directly to the individual, as are new orders. When creating an order against a secondary contact, it indicates that it will be billed to the primary contact, and we can see their details are added as the billing address. Invoicing the order will add the balance to the primary contact. Where you have automatic emailing of invoices activated, it will be sent to the email address in the invoice section of the order. If the primary contact requires all invoices to be emailed to them directly, ensure that their email is added as the account's email across all of the secondary contacts. In the setup area, there's an additional setting which allows this to be the main email address of the contact should an account's email address not be assigned. Alternatively, leave it blank and the email will not be sent at all. The account balance is updated across the company, but the invoices are all recorded under the primary contact. This means that any payments processed will also be against the primary contact. Statements will also be addressed to the primary contact. So far we've seen that the activity of an individual is recorded against their own contact record, and that invoices and payments are recorded against the primary contact. But it's also possible to get a view of the activity across all of the contacts within the company with a company level view. From within any of the individual contacts, click on the company name. The timeline displays all activity for each of the contacts. Over time, it's inevitable that people within the company will change, so you may need to change which contact is primary. From within any of the contacts, or at the company level, the primary contact can easily be switched. This will transfer all open invoices over to the new primary contact, and any future invoices and payments will also be recorded against this new primary contact. Adding a new colleague into the company requires no further steps than simply creating a new contact with the same company name. Each company group has a single primary contact used as the billing address. Where the company requires different billing addresses, separate company groups must be added. This is done by using a different company name. Companies may be separated into different countries, cities, or departments. For each different company name used, a separate group is created and a different primary contact assigned. Where a customer is also a vendor, a record of each type will need to be added into Brightpearl, but it's important that they don't share the same company name or they will become linked. If a customer and vendor are linked by the company name, then the accounts will not operate correctly.